Hey guys, it's Glenn and welcome back to the Rockaways. So today we are at Beach 108th Street in Rockaway Beach. You can see the sign behind me. Nice and beautiful Parks Department. So today we got a special treat. We're going to go up to the beach and we're going to see a show that is put on by Merce Cunningham. It's called Beach Birds, an arrangement, and then I think a little something after by Sarah Michelson called A Response. So it's a choreographed event, some dancing, and so why don't we take a look and see what's going on. So we're going to walk up to the boardwalk here. We'll go up to the beach. But before we do, we got to come over and say hello to Mr. Softy. Here's our man.
Hello everybody. Hello Rockaway.
Yeah, there we go. He knows it. Good to see you. So you cannot go to the beach without having a Mr. Softy. So my buddy George over there, who you met, and his brother Ari have been running the Mr. Softy here in Rockaway probably for over 30 years. So it's been wonderful to have them for so long, and they know everybody in the community. And thank you guys. It looks like there are definitely people lining up for the show and being prepared. The beach over here, 108th Street, gets crowded every way. This is where people come from Manhattan. They take the ferry, they get off at Beach 108th Street. Right up the block is the Rockaway Hotel and Boardwalk Bagel. So it's a great spot, and it kind of gets a little crowded, especially the weekends. But you can see some people sitting up here in their chairs. You can tell they're not beach goers, but they're here to see a show. So I'm looking forward to seeing what it is. So, all right, why don't we take a walk down to the beach here and get a nice view of this show. Okay, so we're on the beach. It's pretty crowded. Hi. So they have a lot of people here mixed in with all the people that were here for the beach. All right, so there's a lot of people here trying to get a good seat. Here's the Icy Man as well. Okay, so it is definitely a lot more crowded than I was expecting. I guess I didn't expect it to be this crowded. So I expected people to be here for the beach, but to be here for the show as well. There's a lot of people. The correct saying is not Merce Cunningham, it's Merce. My understanding is, I was speaking to somebody, so Merce Cunningham Beach Birds is the name of the show. It's a dance series. that's it, folks. It was pretty cool. A lot of people lined up to check it out. Again, Rockaway Beach, 108th Street, Beach Birds. It's like a dance series. Merce Cunningham, here 108th Street. They just left. I hope you enjoyed the show.